Sustainable energy source is the need of the hour. Today, the world is facing an energy crisis with the demand for energy growing exponentially and the sources of energy diminishing. The development and enhancement of non-conventional energy resource is thus required to be taken into serious account before some serious shortage of energy affects the nation. With a mission to increase the value proposition of wind power in India by harnessing the freely available natural resource, that is wind, and channeling it in the right way to extract clean energy, Panama Wind Energy Private Limited has positioned itself to take on the challenge. Panama Wind Energy Private Limited is an IPP wind power developer in the state of Maharashtra with an experience of 8 years in building wind power projects across several states in India. Panama Wind Group is at the forefront of transforming the way India produces energy from wind and is strongly positioned to develop, build and operate clean energy infrastructure of the future. One of the projects undertaken by Panama Wind Group is Project Sky. It is located in the barren hilltop which falls in the district of Satara, Maharashtra, with the wind flowing over the recorded speed of 6.9 meters per second. This project, located in the wind zone of Sahyadri, has been through a phenomenal development. The Project Sky was initiated with the daunting task of land acquisition of over 525 acres across 9 villages in Satara district. This process began back in April 2010 and with the help of dedicated professionals and their strong efforts, acquisition was successfully accomplished by December 2011. Once the land acquisition was in place, we initiated the process of construction. We at Panama Wind Energy Private Limited believe that renewable power with no fossil fuel dependency and with strong government and regulatory support is a prudent business model. With GE India as our partners, 60 windmills were delivered and efficiently mounted, contributing 96 megawatts altogether. The project is comprised of 2 phases, one of which contributes up to 35 megawatts and the second up to 65 megawatts. 45 turbines are located in a private land and 15 of those in forest land. We have constructed a substation located near Nerle which helps us evacuate this 100.8 megawatts of electricity. A 220 kV by 33 kV substation with the redundancy of 147, it is one of the largest substations in wind power sector of Maharashtra. The accuracy is gained with the support of main control room in the design structure of this substation. This design has been done with full SCADA system. Our community development programs promote sustainable economic growth, education and the health and welfare of the people who live nearby. The involvement of NGOs and Panama Wind Energy Private Limited has also identified the need to take preventive actions against soil erosion and depletion of natural resources. The HR policy of Panama Wind Energy Private Limited has initiated self-employment policies for youth and women self-help groups to help them earn a sustainable livelihood. We have also taken right steps in repairs and construction of local schools and temples. Medical assistance for the residents of 9 villages is now just a phone call away, as medical emergency services are available for the benefit of these residents. After the success of Project Sky, we are into the development of our next ambitious project located in Taluka of Beed. our vision remains clear as we are constantly working towards achieving that title of becoming the leading IPP by promoting and harnessing wind energy for the sustained growth. With a deep concern for clean energy, supported with strong engineering skills and a dedicated staff, Panama Wind Energy Private Limited is today at the forefront of bringing about change. With its focus on wind energy, Panama can proudly declare that it has avoided over 70,000 tons of carbon emission as on date. Today, in the world of renewable power generation, Panama Wind Energy Private Limited stands apart with strong values and a deep concern for the generations to come.